Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Don't look at me.
So we're gonna try to do a riddle right now. We haven't seen this riddle or anything.
I haven't. I did go look for the tripod. She might have.
I didn't.
She might have. So.
I was on
Snapchat. I'll just check it out.
I was on Snapchat.
Confess right now. Anyway. She came over here snooping around thinking I was talking to girls, but I'm just doing my daily
No, I didn't want that.
big riddles. So I was doing a riddle and then she came and tried to solve it. It's not even her thing, it's my thing.
I hate riddles, I always get them wrong.
Stimulates the brain.
Anyways, are you gonna read it or I read it?
Bruce is an inmate at a large prison, and like most of the other prisoners
Today.
God, cigarettes.
Let me read it.
No. During his time in the prison, Bruce finds that if he has 3 cigarette butts, he can cram them in together. Oh, I thought there was a period there.
Bruce is an inmate at a large prison, and like most of the other prisoners, he smokes cigarettes. During his time in the prison, Bruce finds that if he has 3 cigarette butts, he can cram them together and turn them into one full cigarette. Whenever he smokes a cigarette, it turns into a cigarette butt. One day, Bruce is in his cell talking to one of his cellmates, Steve. I really want to smoke 5 cigarettes today, but all I have are these 10 cigarette butts. Bruce tells Steve, I'm not sure that will be enough. Why don't you borrow some of Tom's cigarette butts? Asked Steve, pointing over to a small pile of cigarette butts on the bed of their 3rd cellmate, Tom, who is out for the day on a community service project. I can't, Bruce says. Tom always counts exactly how many cigarette butts are in his pile, and he'd probably kill me if he noticed that I had taken any. However, after thinking for a while, Bruce figures out a way that he can smoke 5 cigarettes without angering Tom. What is his plan?
Wow, Bruce is very bright. How did he end up there, man? Whenever he smokes a cigarette, it turns into a cigarette butt. Wait, cigarette butts on the bed of their 3rd cell. Alright, so Bruce is an inmate. That's not important, I guess. No, yeah, it is. Bruce, large prison. He likes to smoke cigarettes. He finds that if he has 3 cigarette butts, so it's like 3 cigarette butts, so 3 little burned little cigarettes and shit like that. This means that it's burned. Okay, so let's say this one has 3. Okay, that he could turn it into 1, right? So
This is weird.
So this can cram them together and turn them into 1 full cigarette.
That's so far what I have. So obviously you're talking about Bruce. 3 butts equals 1 whole cigarette. And then he wants 5 but has 10. That's what I have so far. Me.
And then 3. Okay, so I have
3 divided by 10.
3 cigarette butts. My art is cooler. But yeah, it's 3. So the times 3, just ignore it. Okay, it's not 3 times 3. That's what I have. Okay. Okay, he can cram them together and turn them into 1 full cigarette. Whenever he smokes a cigarette, it turns into a cigarette butt. One day, Bruce is in his cell talking to one of his cellmates, Steve. I really want to smoke 5 cigarettes today. 5 whole cigarettes. But all I have are these 10 cigarette butts. Okay, so he has 10 cigarette butts. So Bruce already has 10 cigarette butts. So technically, he can only make 3. And he wants to smoke 5. So he has 1 left over. So don't, if you know the answer, cool, just don't. Because I don't go to school. I dropped out when I was 14. So she's done a lot of math and stuff. She has her AA. She's a mathematician.
I know I'm not. I suck at math.
Anyway, so whenever he smokes a cigarette, it turns into... But she knows more math than I do. She's more advanced in it. Whenever he smokes a cigarette, it turns into a cigarette butt, blah, blah. Okay, he wants to smoke 5. He really wants to smoke 5. But he only has 10. He needs more. So how many more does he need with this one that he has? But don't tell me. So he needs...
So why are you asking?
Well, I'm asking the audience.
Oh, I got it. Okay, so I'm not gonna say anything.
Okay.
So I'm gonna explain my paper. Spruce.
No, I got it.
We know that 3 cigarette butts, 1, 2, 3, equals to 1 full cigarette. 1. He wants 5 cigarettes, but he only has 10 cigarette butts. Therefore, I divided 3 to 10, and I got 3 cigarettes, but he has 1 cig butt left, right? Okay, y'all are with me. But he wants 5, so I'll put wants cigarettes, or whatever. Wants 5 cigarettes, and he only has 3. So minus 3, 2 cigarettes that he needs. But 2 cigarettes, going back to here, 2 cigarettes would equal how many butts? It would equal to 6 cig butts that he needs.
I found the answer.
He has 1 cig butts. So minus 1, now he has 5. But since he already has 3 cigarettes that he made here with these 10, if he smokes these, then he would have 3 cig butts left. Butts, whatever. So within those 3 cig butts, right? So he has 3. So that's another minus 3 from the 5 here that we got. So now he has 2 cig butts. Because of these 3, he made another cigarette. So cigarettes that he has smoked. But he still needs 1, right? Because he wants 5.
I would quit smoking. I can't
Cigarettes.
figure out how not to anger. What if Tom shares?
So he needs 2 cig butts. What if...
But don't. Wait. Before you go any further. Without angering Tom.
Exactly. So he still gets some from Tom then.
So, he has 3 here, right? Look, he has 3 here. So, and he's left with 1. 3, remainder 1. So then let's say he hold on. What?
I got it.
Okay. So then let's say he takes so with that 1 he still needs to make 2, so fuck it, shit. I'll shank his ass if I was just saying. So an addict, man, or someone that needs to smoke, they're willing to give up their life at the moment. And then they start feeling the guilt after, I think. But anyway, so then he needs, what? So he has 1, so he needs 2, so he needs 5. Okay, So then he takes 5 from Tom. For his balls, man. He has balls. So he has his 5 cigarettes. He smokes his 5 cigarettes, and he's left with 5 butts. Maybe. And he gives him the 5 butts back.
That confused me. What are you talking about? Look, if he smokes the 3 cigarettes, he's gonna have 3 butts left. So minus 3 of that 5. So he just needs 2 cig butts left.
Right. So to make 2, he has 1, so he needs to take 5 from Tom. So there he has
He needs 1 more. Wait, what? Wait, you confused me. Okay. Going back to here. He has 3 cigarettes, he wants 5.
just stupid. It's so easy, like it's so I think don't touch Tom's shit because he'll fuck you up, first of all.
Okay, you guys, I figured it out. I figured it out this way. Jose figured it out a much more simpler way. But I figured it out basically how it said on the answer thing.
We should put a timer.
But yours was better. Like, yours was much more simpler.
Oh, 5 from Tom, right? Because he only has 10. And how many can you make with 10?
3 cigarettes.
3 cigarettes. And he's left with remainder 1. Right, whatever it is. But he's left with 1.
Mm-hmm.
So if he borrows 5 from Tom, then with that 1, he ends up with 6 cigarette butts. It's not right. It doesn't matter, but so he has 6 cigarette butts, which he can make 2 whole cigarettes. So now he has his 5 whole cigarettes. He smokes them, and he has 5 new cigarette butts that he got from each one, and he just gives them back to Tom. That's it.
Yeah, his was way easier.
Smoke them again.
But then he'll die.
It says in the riddle that, like other inmates in this prison, he smokes cigarettes. So I'm thinking, so there must be a lot of inmates that smoke cigarettes. So I take it from the weenie. The tiniest cigarette smoker in the whole prison.
Aren't like cigarettes expensive in jail?
I've never been to jail, so I wouldn't know.
I'll put it up there so you guys can try it with us. So at the end, the answer is five cig butts is, well, the way he did it is he takes 5. The way I did it, he takes 1.
And then again, and again, and again.
Yeah. So it was weird. The way I did it, he takes 1. Wait, what? That's weird, huh? 5 cig butts, I got 1. And at the end of the day, he returns all the cig butts that he used. It's just, I did like mathematical calculations, which I'm really bad at math. And he did more of like, I don't know, like he did like puzzle ones. Anyways, that's the answer right then. Thanks for watching, and Feliz Navidad, inútil.